Hi, everybody. My name is Mary, and today I came here to talk to everybody about the Prodentim Supplement. So stay tuned until the very end of this video with me because I have a ton of info to share with you about the product. And I also want to get to the whole bottom of what the product really is. Talk to you about where to get it from, which is the most important thing that you should know about the product, and much more. So come with me and watch this video until the very end. Alright guys, the product is a natural oral health supplement that is here to help you fix up bad teeth, yellow teeth, gums, breath, and so much more. So we all know that bad breath is really bad, right? And the product can give you fresh breath for the whole day. It will also help you to restore your teeth from yellow to white. And not only that guys, but if you have sensitive gums, tooth cavities, then the product is here to help you fix that up, going straight to the root cause of the problems. So yes, the Prodentim is an oral health supplement, and unlike other supplements that don't give you a long-lasting result, the pro downtime after you finish the treatment, the results, they stay guys. Alright, and you need to remember this. The pro downtime is completely natural, so there are no side effects or contradictions. And there are so many people taking the Prodentis and actually having great results with it. Alright, and if you do the treatment correctly, you can have great results with the ProDental as well. It comes in like a tablet form, so you don't need to swallow it or anything, but you chew it and it's actually really tasty. And let me just tell you this, the Pro Downtime offers you a 60-day money-back guarantee. So within 60 days of taking the Prodentim, if you don't want to use it anymore, ask for a refund and they will give you all of your money back. Alright, and guys just know this, the Prodentim is approved by the FDA, certified by the GMP, so it is really trustworthy. But you must take your treatment seriously once you start taking it, take it every single day. Otherwise, you won't get your desired results, because this is a natural supplement. So if you really want to have great teeth and healthy gums, then you need to take it every single day so that your body can adjust to it much faster and give you results much faster as well. Let me tell you something really important about the product that maybe you don't know about. And that is that the product is actually only sold on their official website. So there have been problems in the past of people purchasing the product and then not being the real one. So let me just tell you that the only real product item is only sold on their official website. Alright, that is the only place to purchase the original product, and only on its official website. So I got the link to their official website and left it just below this video here in the description box. And guys, go to that official website, read people's experience, read the full list of what the product contains that is only natural ingredients, and also learn how it was created, what it really does, what it really is as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Be sure to visit that official website right now. Alright, have an awesome day, guys.